Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 24. This is Section 3.2, Problem 24. It says round 92.98117 to the nearest hundredth. So the first thing we have to do is determine what's in the hundredth position, and then see if we round it up or just leave it the way it is. So what you want to do is start at the decimal. One position to the right is tenths, and one more position to the right after that is hundredth. So now that's the position that we're going to round to. Now one position to the right after that is not big enough to make it go up. So if you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're just going to chop these digits off, which is what we had. If it were bigger, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 8 would bump up to a 9. But that's not the case. The digit to the right is not big enough. So it would stay 92.98. That's rounded to the nearest hundredth.